Hello, today I'm interviewing Joshua on his experiences going to a Japanese school. Now, Joshua, what time do you go to school?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. And do you go by yourself or on a school bus?
No, I have a group that goes with me.
So you go with a group.
Uh-huh.
Now, what kinds of things do you take to school?
I take my Taisofuku that is gym clothes, and I take my backpack and my books.
Oh, okay.
And stuff like that.
Okay, and what is the first thing you do when you get to school?
We do kirits. There.
Kirits and they. Now, what are those?
It means stand up,
Okay.
bow.
Stand up and bow.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and what do you study at school?
We study kokugo, that is writing and reading and stuff like that.
Okay.
And Sansu does math.
Okay.
And let's see. We do gym too.
Okay, and where do you eat lunch? Do you have a lunchroom or cafeteria?
No, we eat in our classroom.
You eat in your classroom?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that is very interesting. Now, what time do you come home from school?
We come home sometimes at 3 and sometimes at 2.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Joshua.
You're welcome.